because it was said that from the book
Mutanda.
Mutanda, yes. There's a hunter called Ekpo Musefe. His name is Ekpo Musefe, and he has been hunting. Each time he will be hunting, and at a point in time, he now got confronted by the deity. That look, each time you come to this bush, you hunt without paying, without giving any recognition to those who control this something. And so that deity was called Atim Okpoebot.
He did not pay the fee.
Yeah, he had no regard, just hunting and hunting, and he was confronted.
Let's wait.
Yes.
Tell me your name.
Okay, my name is Ntufam John Okon. I come from Aningeje in Akpabuyo local government area.
In where?
Akpabuyo local government area.
Okay. Where are we now?
We are now in this is just the boundary between Aningeje and Akpabuyo, and this stream is called Etim Ika. Etim Ika. That's what the interpret in English. What the story I can tell.
The story I can tell
because it happened to a hunter who was always hunting wild animals here, and he was confronted by this deity called Atim Okpoebot.
So
this deity is able to have had about seven heads in one.
Yes.
Different kind of animals.
It wasn't an Ndem deity.
It's a deity.
Ndem deity.
It used to be a tree there. You know, because of development. Before now, you cannot even stand here because a tree used to be in the middle of that water. That tree has been there over the years and years and years.
It wasn't in Ndem tree?
Yes. In fact, nobody dare touch or farm here. But see, over development, as development has come, and a lot of people have farmed up to this area. Okay. It was like a kind of sacred forest.
Sacred place, yeah.
And if you go up, you see the stones where the deity was said to be living.
So this is the
caves.
The caves, yes.
There were caves there too.
Up there, you see there.
The Ndem was living in a cave. As the story comes.
Yes.
It says he has it.
No. You say there were caves.
There are caves. There are
caves
up there
in the bush there.
Up there, yes. Where
so the deity, that is the mermaid, lives inside the caves.
Yes.
So that was where when he got Ekpo Musefe, he turned him into a dog.
Yes.
And put him inside the caves.
Okay.
So when he went out, they did not still know that the dog has already seen
the mermaid.
The container in which he used to turn one woman into a human being, in which he has been turning to be a tree inside the forest. Or anything.
Okay.
So when he left the dog just pick up the container, try to open it and pour the substances on the ground, and then turn himself. Then he turned to a human being, and then went
escaped and told the story. So, but they have to the child of of the king, Namondo, was because of that escape, the child of that deity called Namondo got missing, and they had to come and do a lot of sacrifice.
Okay.
Before it could be recovered.
We are now on the borders of where? We are on the border of what?
And of Akpabuyo, Ojuk now. We are entering Ojuk.
Aningeje?
Ojuk is in Aningeje, yes.
And what?
And Akpabuyo. This is Akpabuyo, yes, that's it.